Have you ever felt invisible or ignored by the woman you really like? This book offers a powerful solution to that problem. In just a few simple steps, you will learn how to capture her attention and her heart. First, understand the power of real, meaningful conversation. Next, discover the words that make her feel truly special. Then, learn how to listen in a way that makes her feel deeply understood. With these tools, you can build a genuine connection that makes you unforgettable. You ask her what she's always dreamed of doing. Her eyes light you. Ask her what she's always dreamed of doing. Her eyes light up. She feels seen. And in that moment, you become the man she can't stop thinking about. Remember, most men never have conversations like this. That's exactly what sets you apart. Deep, meaningful conversations are game changers. They create real attraction and lasting love. Don't wait. Grab your copy of The Conversation That Makes Her Choose You Over Everyone Else and transform your relationships today.